Hey, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. Actually, I have been really busy, so I'm sorry I've not been recording lately. It's been really busy in my universe, whatever it's called. So actually, we're gonna be building a more different hack today. I'm gonna be showing you guys some really cool Victorian wallpapers, Victorian hacks, because I just like that style and it's pretty cool. And like, okay, so let's say you're building a house like this, and I use like pillars a lot. So like, I squeeze it in a little bit, just like that. And then more like that. Looks more detailing, if I'm being honest. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for this music. I need to turn it off. Okay, so like right here, I really like to use these. These are my go-to when I build because it's kind of better to use. Oh well, it's actually. Okay, you guys kind of see what I'm trying to do. See, like that. This is more of a different builds I've been doing lately. I've started many before, but like I've always incompleted them and I've never like finished them. So like I'm kind of just doing like a speed build right now, but like talking to you guys. So like right now I'm building a what would I call this? Like a Victorian 19 maybe like an 1800s house. I really like the old style that they used to have, but like nowadays it's just like really basic and the houses aren't really cool anymore. So I honestly just go off of my head. So like I use this tall pot for a lot of stuff. So like okay, it's not working. We're just gonna skip that detailing. I use these for actually my roofing, and then I just cover it with honestly anything I can think of. So like this right here, I'll color it that. Yeah, you guys are probably wondering, why don't you just use a roof and go into the basement? I think that I like to do this better because like you can't really tell, if you know what I mean. Okay, that's not. Alright, so you guys can tell that I'm kind of struggling. Oh my god, this is not working. Okay. I'm just going to use a basic shape and just color it like that. Actually, wait, this is actually looking good. Then like right here, I can lower it down a bit. So like, see guys, like once the roofing and stuff all came in, like these, I was so happy. Because usually like, okay, that's not the one, okay, this is the one, right here. So if you guys are looking for like a more of like a light academia colors for builds, I would use a light stone gray because it brings out a little bit of more like a yellowish white, and it looks really good in Victorian builds if you're doing like a white one. So like I use that a lot. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna undo all of this and just like. I'm just gonna do. Sorry if you guys are trying to build this and I just like deleted a lot of stuff. I usually like always never make up my mind, and that's just how it goes. By the way, guys, if you guys do copy me, please just put some like credits in it because I really don't like when people copy. But like, if it's for you guys, I don't care. I'll do it. looks a little bit better. So another guy's really good idea. You guys are going for a Victorian build. What I do is I do it like this because see like Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys a really cool hack I saw. It was really cool. I think what it would like. Okay, so you guys are gonna kind of be a little bit confused on this. So let me walk you guys through it. Okay, so right here, I'm going to place a floor down. Yes, guys, it's very like. Okay. And then. Can you pay my bill? Okay, it's in decorations. I honestly forgot. Let me think. Is it this? No. It isn't. What is it? Alright, I need to look it up because I actually found a very good builder. It's called Food for Cats. I recommend you guys to watch him. He's a very good builder. If you guys want it again, it's called Food for Cats. He's a very good builder. Like he built like Spain and stuff. It is amazing. It's so amazing. Okay, don't mind the music playing. Okay, here we go. Okay, I figured it out. How did I not remember that? I'm so dumb. Okay, so this is a really cool hack. I learned this from Food for Cats, obviously. He's like my favorite builder, I think, I must say. First it was like 7i US, but like now I don't like him. I don't know why. I just don't like him anymore, and I'm not interested in his builds anymore. I really used to, but like now I'm like, they're okay. And like, I'm not shaming his building. I think it's better than mine. I just don't like the color choices he uses. It's just not my style. Can you pay my bills? Okay, time to go into this. Okay. Okay, so you guys can probably tell what is happening. Yeah. Oh, I love this. I love this builder. He is my favorite builder. But does his stick out? Okay. So now we're gonna do some molding. Well, not really molding, but like you guys know what I mean. I hope, hopefully. Yeah. So if you guys are any like really good builders, well, I feel like you guys all are if you're watching my Victorian builds. This is more of a different build. Okay, why is it doing that? Okay, so bad. Okay, here we go. And then what I do is vases are a big thing for me in like advanced builds, because like the squared vase, well, that's like the best one. So, and I just put it right there in the middle. Oof, perfect. Okay, so this is what I've gotten so far. Didn't really get anything done so far, but it looks pretty good. Okay, yes, it looks amazing. Okay, so once I got that color, I'm going to be using, yes. Oh no, not that color. I'm going to be actually using sage green. Where's that material? Here it is. Since they added the stuff, you'll see guys what I'm going to do. Oh my god, this worked. You know what, guys? I hate the people who are like gonna go steal your build. Like once you leave and go to work, that's just how it is in like every server I go in. It's like, ooh, that person's gone. It's at work. Time to go steal the build. Like you're not cool. That did not look too bad. Okay, let me go find that hat that I found. A lot of good builders are on TikTok, I must say. Okay, so I like to use these. Yes, these windows are so amazing in detailed builds. Okay, here. Right, they kind of needed to move. Now we're gonna kind of do some trim. Oh wow, this is detailed. Okay. So guys, this is gonna be I will be posting part 2 maybe tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Tomorrow I will be doing the inside, so be prepared and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me building my first ever Victorian house. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe, silly baka. Alright guys, bye!